Hi all, welcome to my channel Journey with Sam. Today I'm going to talk about how do we create a repository in GitHub and for what purpose and why do we do that. So I'll take you to each and every step how we can use the repository and how do we maintain that. Before you go to the repository creation, so go to the github.com and create an account over here with your email address. So as I already logged in, so that kind of option which is not showing over here. How can we create a Git repository over here? If you see in the left hand side of the screen, you can see the create repository option. Just click over there, assign the repository name. I would like to use this repository for my Python program, so I would like to name as py underscore programs, give a detailed explanation or whatever you would like to provide. And now I would like to make this visible for public. If you want to restrict, you can do that as a private too. Now I would like to make this an open source for the public viewers and enable the readme file, and you can mention why this repository and for what purpose and what kind of programs or what kind of files you would like to store in this repository. And coming to the add dot ignore git ignore, so main specifically you can exclude certain files called config.json or .env. This kind of files would not like to keep in your repository. If so, you can mention detail here, but currently I'm not doing it because I like to use all sort of files in my repository now. And coming to the add license, there are a lot of licenses over here, but I would like to go for MIT license because which helps you to modify, or you can other employees or your friends would like to modify your code and can want to expand that those packages or the programs in their local repository and can publish it. So it's an open source one, so you can go for the MIT license and create a repository, and you can see the repository over here which is enabled now, and you can see the code, you can see the issues if you have anything. In the next class I will tell you how do you do the pull request and the push request and what kind of actions you would like to take it, and how do you do what kind of wiki you could like to mention here. And this is the settings. How do we import the already the existing programs in your file explorer? So now you can see the add file here. Click on over here. If you want to create a new file, you can initiate here, or already you have an existing program, just click on to the upload files. So it will tell you from which location you would like to upload. So choose the files here. So I'm choosing two files over here, or you can individually select each file and can give your description over here. So now it's getting uploaded, the two files, and I'm giving a commit message that these programs are for Python. So you can do this one, and I'm just doing for only for the main branch now. Now if I want to push this programs to your local branch, you can do that. As I don't have any local branch now, I'm just pushing, like pulling to only to your main branch now. So commit changes. So you can see the new two files have been added. Now if I would like to open this one, and you can edit more. So this is how you can start your GitHub to keep your files repository, and you can enable this to share with other friends or your employees, so you can easily maintain this kind of files or any kind of data over here. Thanks for watching.